Hello all, my name is Nikila. I am a supporter of this project and today we are going to see how to deploy static website using Microsoft Azure. My teammates are Bharadwaj, Shravani and Sai Chaitanya. Bharadwaj, he is the developer of this website and Shravani, she has taken the responsibility of collecting all the content for our website and Sai Chaitanya has prepared all the documentation for this website. And now I am going to show how to deploy this website using Microsoft Azure portal. So firstly log in into the Microsoft Azure portal with your credential. Next click on create a resource. Next go to search bar and search for the storage account. Click on storage account. Next click on storage account. So here we don't have any storage account right now. So we have to create new storage account. Click on create. It's directly redirected to a create a storage account page. In basics tab, project details, go to subscription. It's free trial and go to resource group name. So we don't have any resource group name right now. So we have to create a new resource group. Click on OK. Next, go to instant details. We have to give a storage account name. Next, go to performance is standard and redundancy is GRS and click on next advanced. Here directly we go to the blob storage, click on checkbox. And next directly go to the review, click on create. Here we see initializing deployment. In overview, we see deployment is in progress. So here we see deployment is succeed and your deployment is complete. Next, go to resource and search for static website. Click on static website. And here we see static website is disabled. So now we have to enable it. Next, we have to give index document name as index.html. And error document path is 404. Next, save it. Here we see successfully updated static website settings. Next, go back to resource group. And next, search for containers. And click on containers. And next, click on web. Next, click on upload. Next, click on browse for files. Here we see uploading all the blob files. Click on overwrite file already exists and click on upload. Here we see right now successfully uploaded blobs. Next, go back to resource and search for static website again. Click on static website. Here we see right now primary endpoint and secondary endpoint. Click on primary endpoint and copy it. And next, open new tab and run it. Now we see this is our website. Again, go back to Microsoft Azure portal and next search for the data protection. Data protection is under data management. Click on data protection. Now, data protection and recover, enable Azure backup blocks, enable it. And next we have to create a backup vault. Just you have to create new backup vault. Vault name has old vault and create. Here we have to see the backup vault is created. Next, go to manage identity. Click on it. So we have to give permissions for Azure role assignments. Click on Azure role assignment. So we don't have any Azure role assignment. Click on add role assignment. Scope is resource group. Subscription is free trial. Resource group name old world 111 and role is owner. Next, save it. Successfully add a role assignment. Again, go back to data protection and click on backup policy. Create new. Backup policy name old policy. Next, create plus review. Next, create. Creating policy is successful. Next, save it. Here we have to see update data protection settings and validating Azure backup settings. The backup vault is successfully saved. And next, go to search bar and search for, click on Q&A makers. So we don't have any Q&A makers. So create new. Click on create. It will be redirected to create basic. In that we have basic tags review plus create. So directly go to language Azure AI service for language. Click on it. Next, here we see select additional features and custom features. So we have to click on select custom question answering. Select and continue to create your resource. And it will be create language. We have to give resource group name OL123. Name has old world. Pricing tier is first one. And next click on checkbox. And next click on review plus create. Next, click on create. Here we see initializing deployment. In overview, we have to see right now deployment is in progress. So in left pop-up, we have to see deployment succeed. Next, again, go back to resource. Here we see old world and language search service. Next, click on language and get started with language service. Click on language studio, get started with language studio, and it will be redirected to another page. And next, go to sign in. Language studio. Azure directory is default directory and Azure subscription is a free file. Azure subscription is a free file and resource type is language and resource name is Old World. Next, click on Done. So we don't have any project here. So we have to create a new project. Click on Create New. Next, click on Custom Question Answering. Next, select the language for all project, English. Next, click on Next. Project name, Old World Eats. Next, project description, food offers. Next, click on Next. So now we have to see review and finish. And next, click on Create Project. And now we see Manage Sources. Just click on Add Source. Click on Files. Next, click on Add Files. Source name has chatbot. Now choose a file. Click on chatbot questions and open it. Next, click on Add File. Here we see adding sources. Now here we see chatbot question is added successfully. And next, click on chatbot questions. And now you have to see here. We have to see added in chatbot.excel file all question and answers. Next, we have to see data deploy knowledge base. Click on it. And here we see deploy knowledge base. And now click on deploy. And we have to see deploy OldWorldEats. Once deployed, you can integrate it in within a bot. Deploy here. You see OldWorldEats deployment in progress. Here we see successfully deployed. Now we see deploy knowledge base here and create a bot. And next we see page life custom deployment. And we have to give all the details here. Already we know bot handle old world bot, that is instance name. So we click on next. Here we create new app service. In app service plan, creation type is create new app service plan. Free language studio and click on settings. Go to resource and copy a resource key here and copy it and go back to custom deployment and copy it in language resource key, paste it, and next click on review plus create. And next create custom deployment, click on create. Here is it submitting deployment. Now we see deployment in progress. In overview, deployment is in progress. Now it shows your deployment is complete. And next, go back to resource group. And here we see all the back of what Azure bot, manage identity, app service plan, and storage account. Next, click on Azure bot. It will open. And next, now click on channels. Now here we see our channels is healthy. And scroll down. Here we have to see Microsoft Teams. Click on it. And we have to agree and click on agree. And next click on apply. Here we see saving the Microsoft Team channel. And Microsoft Team channel is enabled now. And close it. Now we have to see our channels is healthy. And next click on web chat. And next click on default site. And now here we see configuration this site, and we see embedded code, and copy it and go to your HTML code. Click on storage account and search for containers. Click on containers and go to web. Click on web and search for the chatbot HTML file and click on view or edit and go for the preview. Next, go back to channels and click on web chat. And here we see. And next click on default site. Now we have to see here secret keys. And next copy the secret key and go back to home and open storage account. In storage account, search for containers and next click on web and search for the chatbot.html. Click on chatbot.html. Click on chatbot. Here we see view and edit option. In this code, here you have to see your secret code and enter your secret code here and save it. And now go back to home and open storage account and search for the static website. And now we have to copy the primary endpoint. I'm running new tab. Next, open new tab and paste it. This is our website, Old World Eats. Taste it traditional, where every bite is a feast. The traditional is yummy. Our categories and our services, our customer reviews. And next, go to menu. Here you have to see pop up your order is added to cart. Click on OK. And now you have to go to cart and see here confirm order, and your order is have been confirmed. Click on OK. About us. And next go to chatbot. Click on it and give hello. Hi. Is your food is healthy or traditional food is too healthy? That's it. This is our static website deployed in the Azure portal. Thank you.